Hello guys, this is the daily update on commodities. We will also check in what big data that's coming out tomorrow that might be important for you to follow. And we have some Twitter stuff as well at the end of the video. Guys, like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you like what you see, and if I have made your day, basically. Then yeah, give me a subscription here, Twitter, YouTube. And yeah, with all that, intro, we will see tomorrow what could be happening tomorrow with the big data coming out here on a Friday. That's not what I wanted to do. We have, where are you? Tomorrow, there it is. Good. We have the German PPI coming out just 1 hour before the EU markets are opening. That could be, one that stirs up the market a bit. And then we have the big one, the big one, in my view, which is down here at the NFP, the non-farm payrolls, which comes out 1 hour before the US opens. We also have the U6 unemployment rate, which is also a good or a bad sign of what to come. And what else do we have? Yes, we have the COTs coming in just before the market is closing on different commodities and sectors and so on. That's also, something that could give Monday an extra spicy taste there. So that is the big data tomorrow, as I see it. And as I see it here, we run through what happened today. Silver, good old silver, came into resistance, was up a percent, 1.3% at some point in time, I think, giving a bit back here. But again, we broke its overall structure there. Beautiful, clean cut, up 0.6%. The gold doing very well now, closing daily close above its previous all-time high, that major wick there at $2,160, up 0.5% today. This run here is very, very strong. That's good, but again, don't expect it to keep going. We are probably going to see some sort of pause here. In worst case, we are getting a massive retest of $2,060 for gold. The massive breakout line retesting, then we go higher. Gold to silver ratio here, still in favor of gold because we haven't broken down yet from this structure, but we're down 0.15% today, so basically not much, right? So we will not go into detail there. The DXY getting smoked today, 0.5% is a lot when it comes to the DXY. That's a lot of money here. You can see, don't mind all my doodles there. We have a massive golden trend line getting hit today. Very, very important that the week doesn't close below there. That would be a bit of trouble there for the DXY. Bitcoin up 2%, still, roughly at the all-time highs. Let's see how high it can go. You can see that we are at the all-time high. I would be surprised after such a massive run here and kind of a blow off top there that we're just going to continue higher. I know many people think that's plausible, but again, we haven't had any rest. We had a tiny rest there. Other than that, it has been a one-way street from 25 to roughly 70. So, but let's see here, still holding on quite nicely. We had that bit of an earth shake right there, but yeah. Gold very volatile today. Did we close above it? Yeah, barely. A big wick there intraday for gold. Excuse me, for USD WTI. So we are actually a tiny bit above again here, just a tad. But again here tomorrow with the COTs coming out for commodities, and that's also oil, then maybe that could be a weekly close right there. That would be beautiful. GDX 1.5% still blasting out after we took that squeeze out to the upside. Following gold, nothing major there, no structures broken. Silver still bouncing heavily, up 2%. Beautiful. Excuse me, SIL, that's the silver miners, still bouncing there. We are now roughly at $91, $92 here for the good old uranium stock price. So we are definitely pulling back here. We could add in, no, I don't have that tool set up correctly. But again here, The lowest we can go, as I think, is roughly 73. Absolute lowest. Do I think we will get there? No. By no means, but I do think we are due for that, consolidation there. At least a healthy pullback after a major move there, 100%. The big winner today is URNM. If you want the more detailed setup here, what's going on, check out the video that I released on the 1 hourly time frame URNM. But 5.55%, that's a lovely number. Keep it coming. And check out the detailed technicals that I sent out like an hour ago. Rates, 0.5% down, bit of a wick at the bottom. But again, it closed barely above our level here. Oh, maybe not. 4.1 is a big level. And we did close above it. So still holding on. My lines here are gone for Palladium. But anyways, we did clear it. We talked about that possible right shoulder. You can go back and check. Perfect symmetry of the inverted head and shoulders. Just absolutely fantastic. Massive breakout yesterday. Today, basically flat. But again, this is a trigger that, leads us to roughly 1,100 and something bucks there for Palladium. Also, excuse me, we're breaking that long-term fallen golden wedge right there. Boop, peeking out. Very nice price action for Palladium. Platinum, the overall stuff, you need to go back to check the other videos, but today we basically broke that structure that started at the start of 2024. Beautiful platinum here breaking out. Not the mega breakout that we need, but this is definitely a start for a massive higher low here. So that's good to see that platinum can also do a bit of good stuff here. Now we have it copper. I think copper is the silent mover, and we are very close now. Actually, did we break? We actually did. Copper is really trying to put in a good move, up 1.3% today to get above that $4 level. You can see it here, the $4 level right there. Very big level. It's just mind-blowing here that $4, how well defined it is. Again, copper here suggesting that we are on the potential of a breakout here. A weekly close above 4. Maybe let's be precise, 3.97. I call it 4. That is just amazing for the good old copper. And if that happens, I think what it means. That's more inflation in the pipe. Good. Bit of very quick Twitter stuff here. Tim Shack here saying the junior miners are about to double their share prices in less than 3 months. Thank you. I'll take it. The bigger breakout will follow closely behind a 10x. A 10x. I will be a happy man if that is the case. But yeah, we are definitely breaking out just like we did here. And this would be the 4th touch of that long-term resistance. Usually 4th time, maybe with a bit of wiggle there. I completely agree. And then boom, away we go. Fantastic. A 10x on the SIL J, I think it was. I wouldn't mind. MAC 10 here. The AI melt top is now 70% above its October March. You can see here, this is a melt top. It's going vertical, and things that goes vertical doesn't correct sideways. It never happens. It comes down heavily. And I think we are going, when this thing collapses, and it will, when is the question. I think we're going easily all the way down to that level there. This is just madness. Again, a lot of people have made a ton of money here. Very nice. But if you're buying into it here, you are asking for a lot of hurt. Again, that's my honest opinion. CEO technician here, a lot of stuff, written here. But again, the first thing here is that seeing some top callers out there, but zooming out on the weekly chart, one can see that this is just, the first week of a breakout. And calling a top here and not a top in AI, that's amusing. But anyways, gold here, massive week, lovely, into the 200 number, which is obviously resistance here on the GLD. But again, yummy. Gold is good. Axle here, XLB, that's materials. sideways action here. Tiny bit of a retrace into the 200 DMA, and we are breaking higher here. Materials, I don't know exactly what it contains, but I assume metals, all that good stuff. I don't know, but again, textbook stuff here again by Axel. And also, what is textbook? I want to show you Axel here. This is a long-term chart of the Nasdaq. Just the cleanness of his work there, all the way up there, identifying the different setups, the different fractals and channels. Very clean. This gets me going. I really like such a chart there. Next big trade, NVIDIA has never been more extended over its 30 weekly moving average. And the problem is, it's a very, very large company now. It is. I think is it 3 trillion, 3 point, it's big anyways. Again, this is vertical, and these don't correct sideways. There will be a reckoning to come here, in my view. Again, that's my opinion on the good old AI. The good old AI stocks. When is the question? So that is it, guys. The daily update here. The big winner, URNM. Check out the short-term video on the 1 hourly chart that I did on URNM. Make or break. We are getting into that 51.5, which is a massive, massive, massive level to get above. If we can get a weekly close above that tomorrow, I'm a happy man. Guys, thank you for being a part of this. Stay tuned. Bye.